Maintaining a computer network can be a daunting task, but it becomes even more so when the network spans multiple cities and countries. That is exactly why we created Remote Utilities. It is a flexible remote desktop software that allows you to easily maintain a fleet of distributed computers and provide remote support to users around the globe. The main window of the control module displays an address book with access details of the remote computers that you maintain. Various connection modes help you perform different tasks on a remote PC. For example, you can view the desktop of the remote computer, take control of the mouse pointer, send keystrokes, transfer files, shut down or restart the remote computer, and chat with the remote user. Use the built-in MSI Configurator to prepare a remote module with custom settings for unattended or attended access. For example, you can configure the remote module to send access credentials via email on its installation, as well as set one of the 4 supported authentication methods, including via existing Windows or Active Directory accounts. By connecting to a remote user's computer in full control mode, you can easily help them as if you were sitting right next to them. You can also quickly switch to a different connection mode without leaving the full control window. The connection between the control and remote computers can be established directly, for example, via a local network or VPN, or alternatively, via Remote Utilities routing servers. That allows you to easily access remote computers over the internet without additional network configuration. Plus, by using our free self-hosted server, you can route remote connections via your own infrastructure, sync your address books between multiple technicians, and use an additional authentication method. Remote Utilities is highly secure and reliable. Even with the default settings, you can always enable additional security options for ultimate protection of your remote infrastructure. Find out more and get a free trial at remoteutilities.com/download.